Hello everyone, this is Anurag from the Globetrotter and I just received my package. This may look small but the cost of this one is 29,000. So let's unpack it, unbox it and let's make the first impression of how this product really is. So let's start unpacking this one. And ta-da! The new, or let's say the older one only. It's released around like 2 years back. Let me zoom it. Yeah, the Osmo Pocket. I have been researching about vlogging camera. Actually, not only vlogging. I wanted something with a gimbal, and so I searched, did a lot of research, and finally found this. Though there are so many negative feedbacks about this product. Yes, consume it. Yes, this product, but still, I wanted to give it a try. So let's open this product now. Where is the seal? Oh. Play Store. Ha ha. What have this one as? Oh shit. Unnecessary thermocol. Silica gel, don't eat it, huh? And lot of manuals which we won't go through anyway. But seems it will help a bit. Then what else are there in the pocket? Wow. The packing is quite good. And here they gave the lanyard, USB-C cable and these two connectors. Now it's time to open this one. Let's put all these aside. Ta-da! See how small this one is. So Lovely, right? The smallest gimbal camera, the Osmo Pocket. See how small this one is. So I'm taking this video from this DJI Osmo Pocket at 1080 pixel and 25 frames per second. And how's the quality? The mic, so I'm also recording from the stock mic, means the inbuilt mic in the Osmo Pocket only. Then what else? Yeah, I'll be attaching some spoilers about the motion labs that I have taken from this device. Do like and subscribe for more videos regarding the DJI Osmo Pocket hands-on review, and then the pros and cons, and whether it is worthy enough to buy for that huge money. Thank you guys. Do follow and subscribe and share it and show some support and love to me. Thank you.